This video is about Ltspice tutorial. So today we will learn about how to use Ltspice. So at first, after installing the Ltspice, click on File and click on Use Schematic. Then you got your schematic code over here. So today we will just learn about a very short introduction of Ltspice. So we will start with a very um, simple circuit. So for that case, let's have a voltage source. So we can click on the component over here and type voltage, and we will get the voltage. And click on set and left click and click on right click, and the voltage will go away. Now I want a resistor. So here is a resistor over here, and also there is a voltage source over here. And if you don't get any component here, you can click on component and type the component. So let's drag a resistor over here. Click on here, and to rotate, press R in your keyboard, Control R in your keyboard, and it will rotate. And left click, and to remove the resistor, right click and it remove. So let's have a LED for our case. So this is the diode. So there is an LED over here. So let's click on component and let's set LED, and LED come out and place, left click and right click. Now we can pick new diode. So because LED is a diode, so let's click a new diode over here. So this is we are looking for LED. So here is LED. Let's click Fairchild LED, this one, and press on OK. And you got it. And what else we need to get a simple circuit? We need a ground. So let's click on ground, and this is a ground over here. Right click. So to connect all the components, we need wire. So this is wire side. Click on this one, left click, and click on this terminal, or filter terminal, and click here and connect with the register. So another terminal register, click here and click here to bend the wire, then connect with the LED. Click here, then click another terminal, click here, we need to connect the ground, click here. Okay. So then right click. So our circuit is complete. So let's put the value over here. So right click on right click on the resistor R1. If your name is R1, so I want to enter the new value for R1. Okay. So let's put the value of R1, say 1 kilovolt, so 1K. So it is 1K, and for this one, let's put 5 volt over here, 5 volt. And to simulate, press on this run button. So now it's asking for how you want to analyze the circuit. Do you want to do transient analysis? So most of the cases we do transient analysis, and so here we measure structure like 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So for this circuit, we will do DC operation there. So for that case, we click on DC operation point and .op, and click on OK. So which is over here, and it's already simulated the whole thing. So we have two nodes, node 1, node 2, and this is the voltage, and this is the current. Current over here. So yeah. So Now I want to see the current flowing through R1. So it's showing voltage. So right click on this and you see that. And now you can choose your current or voltage. So I want to choose the current flowing through R1. So I click on that and you have to remove this dollar sign, then click on OK or press enter, and here it is. So through R1, 3.23 milliampere current is flowing through. And let's look at the voltage across our LED. So, so this is 1.76, 1.76. And if you look at the current over here, so current over V1, okay, sorry. So we have to remove this dollar sign and press enter, and you see that. So this current and this current is same, but V1 current is minus 2.23 milliampere because this guy is supplying voltage, that's why the current is minus. So if you want to remove, click on this and press delete. Yeah, and you can delete that. So this is pretty much all about Ltspice. So if you want to get much more complex circuit, then you just click on this component over here. So this is component over here, and you will see all the list over here, all the list of electronic and electrical component over here. So everything is over here. Yeah, and and if you want to see the configuration analysis, so this is a display of configuration analysis. If you want to switch it to transient, click on transient and mention the uptime over here. And this is this, and then after mentioning the configuration, you click on this play button, and it will see that if everything is okay, and you will see your visible traces over here. So that's it over here. So it is showing the current value and the current value and the voltage value with the operating point. So this is the introduction about Ltspice. If you have questions, please let me know. Thank you.